Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important UGC net statistics question from the topic probability. Question: for any three events A, B and C, let P of A is equal to 0.2, P of B is equal to 0.3 and P of C is equal to 0.4. We have to find probability of A union B union C is. Here given probability of A is equal to 0.2, P of B is equal to 0.3 and P of C is equal to 0.4. We have to find probability of A union B union C. Here, the first thing you should notice the phrase for any three events. The question does not mention that the events are mutually exclusive or independent. In this situation, we use Boole's inequality. Boole's inequality. Boole's inequality states that for any events, probability of union I is equal to 1 to n ai less than or equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n probability of ai. Here, this question there are three events A, B and C. We have to write probability of A union B union C less than or equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C. Now we substitute P of A is 0.2, P of B is 0 plus P of B is 0.3 plus P of C is 0.4. The final answer is less than or equal to 0.9. That is the option C. Option C is the correct answer. Whenever a question gives only the integer probabilities and ask about the union of events, we use Boole's inequality. Thank you.